Buddha's hand, Citrus medica var. Sarcodactylus, is one of the world's strangest citrus fruits, native to northeastern India and China before spreading across East Asia. Instead of forming a round fruit, it grows long finger-like sections that resemble an open human hand. Unlike oranges or lemons, it contains almost no pulp, juice, or seeds, with most of the fruit made up of its highly fragrant peel. Because of its sweet citrus aroma, it is widely used in perfumes, desserts, religious ceremonies, and traditional medicine. Its extraordinary appearance and rich cultural history make Buddha's hand one of the most bizarre fruits on earth. Durian, Durio zibethinus, is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia and is often called the king of fruits. It is covered with thick, sharp spikes that protect its soft, creamy flesh inside. The fruit is famous for its extremely powerful smell, which many people compare to rotten onions, sewage, or old cheese, causing it to be banned in some hotels and public transportation systems. Despite its strong odor, millions of people enjoy its rich, custard-like flavor. Its combination of a fearsome appearance, unforgettable smell, and devoted fans makes durian one of the world's most unusual fruits. Hala fruit, Pandanus tectorius, grows on tropical coastal trees throughout the Pacific Islands, Southeast Asia, and parts of Australia. It looks like a bright orange or red pineapple made from dozens of separate wedge-shaped segments called keys. When ripe, these sections can be pulled apart and eaten individually or used to make traditional drinks and foods. The tree is also valued for its long leaves, which are woven into baskets, mats, and roofs. Its unusual shape and importance to island cultures make Hala fruit one of the most fascinating fruits found in tropical regions. Ackee, Blegia sapida, is a tropical fruit native to West Africa and is now best known as the national fruit of Jamaica. Its bright red fruit naturally splits open when fully ripe, revealing shiny black seeds surrounded by soft yellow flesh. Only the yellow flesh is safe to eat, while the unripe fruit and seeds contain a dangerous toxin called hyperglycin that can cause severe poisoning. Because of this, ackee must be harvested and prepared correctly before it is eaten. Its unusual appearance and unique safety requirements make ackee one of the world's most remarkable and bizarre fruits. Rambutan, Nephelium lapaceum, is a tropical fruit native to Malaysia, Indonesia, and other parts of Southeast Asia. It is instantly recognizable by its bright red or yellow skin covered with soft, hair-like spines that make it look like a sea creature. Inside, the fruit contains sweet, juicy white flesh surrounding a single seed. Despite its unusual appearance, rambutan is closely related to lychee and longan. Its hairy shell and delicious flavor have made it one of the most distinctive tropical fruits in the world. The Kiwano, Cucumis melliferus, also called the horned melon, is native to southern Africa. Its bright orange skin is covered with sharp horn-like spikes, giving it an alien appearance unlike almost any other fruit. Inside, it contains vibrant green jelly-like flesh filled with edible seeds. The refreshing flavor is often described as a mix of cucumber, kiwi, and banana. Its extraordinary appearance and colorful interior have made the Kiwano one of the world's most bizarre fruits. The Monstera Deliciosa fruit comes from the famous Swiss cheese plant, which is native to the tropical rainforests of southern Mexico and Central America. The long green fruit is covered with hexagonal scales that slowly fall away as it ripens. It must be eaten only when fully ripe because unripe fruit contains calcium oxalate crystals that can irritate the mouth and throat. Once ripe, the creamy flesh develops a unique flavor often compared to a blend of pineapple, banana, and mango. Its unusual ripening process and exotic taste make it one of nature's most fascinating fruits. Noni, Morinda citrifolia, is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. It has a pale green or yellowish-white, bumpy surface that resembles a potato rather than a typical fruit. As it ripens, it produces a very strong odor that many people compare to spoiled cheese. Despite its unpleasant smell, noni has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is commonly made into juices and health supplements. Its strange appearance, powerful odor, and long history of medicinal use make noni one of the most unusual fruits on earth. Salak, Salak azalaka, commonly known as snake fruit, is a tropical fruit native to Indonesia and widely grown across Southeast Asia. Its reddish-brown skin is covered with shiny scales that closely resemble snake skin, giving the fruit its unusual name. Beneath the tough outer layer are crisp, cream-colored segments with a sweet yet slightly acidic flavor, often compared to a mix of apple, pineapple, and banana. The fruit grows in clusters at the base of thorny palm trees, making harvesting difficult and requiring careful handling. Despite its intimidating appearance, Salak is highly valued for its refreshing taste and crunchy texture. Its reptile-like skin and unique flavor have made snake fruit one of the world's most bizarre and unforgettable tropical fruits. Jabuticaba, Plinia cauliflora, is one of the strangest fruit trees in the world and is native to Brazil, Paraguay, and parts of Argentina. Instead of growing on branches like most fruits, its dark purple fruits grow directly from the trunk and large limbs, making the tree appear completely covered with grapes. The juicy flesh inside is sweet with a slightly tangy flavor and is commonly eaten fresh or used to make jams, juices, and wines. Because the fruits spoil quickly after harvesting, they are rarely exported outside South America. This extraordinary way of producing fruit directly from the trunk makes Jabuticaba one of nature's most fascinating botanical wonders. The Coco de Mer, Lodoicea maldivica, is a legendary palm found naturally only on a few islands in Seychelles. It produces the largest and heaviest seed of any plant on Earth, with some seeds weighing more than 20 kilograms. The enormous fruit has a unique double-lobed shape unlike any other fruit, inspiring myths and legends for centuries before its true origin was discovered. These giant palms grow extremely slowly, often taking decades before producing their first fruits, and some trees can live for hundreds of years. Because of its gigantic size, rare habitat, and extraordinary appearance, the Coco de Mer is considered one of the world's most remarkable and bizarre fruits. Miracle fruit, Syncephalum dulcificum, is a small red berry native to West Africa with one of the most unusual abilities in the plant kingdom. It contains a natural protein called miraculin that temporarily changes the way the human tongue tastes food. After eating the berry, sour foods such as lemons, limes, and vinegar taste surprisingly sweet for up to an hour, even though no sugar has been added. Scientists have studied this remarkable property for its potential use in medicine and as a natural sweetener. Its incredible ability to transform taste has made miracle fruit one of the most extraordinary and mysterious fruits ever discovered.